Corteiz just ran back their mystery Lotto archive sale. This is a sale of their randomized archive products from the last few years. For this, customers don't know what products they're getting. They can only choose the categories and their sizes. I always love a little archive sale because it's typically discounted products. It's products that haven't released, samples, etc. So you can usually get some pretty unique stuff. My package just came in. I don't really remember what products or categories I picked, but let's see what I got. If you see anything you like, make sure you tap in with us. Most of this will be available for sale. This is Philly Hype, where we donate 30% of profits to Philly-based nonprofits. So when you buy from us, you're giving right back to the community. All right. First up, we got what looks like, a bomber jacket. I gotta look at the prices of these again. Each category had like its own set price, like $10 for t-shirts, $15 for hats, $40 or whatever for jackets. All right, so I just checked. Shirts are $28, beanies are $20, and jackets are $135. This is a quilted liner jacket. So for this, I paid $135, mystery jacket, size large, brand new of course. It's quilted line, so you see like the waffle lining in here, which is kind of nice. A little bit of a warmer workwear type of look. I want to say this type of jacket from Corteiz would typically be probably a little bit over 200 USD. Feel free to fact check me on that, but yeah, not too bad. First mystery item, size large. Let's try on this jacket real quick. That's not too bad. Feels a little boxy, which you always love. Quick little spin. I'm 190, 5'11". This is the fit. Sleeves could be a little longer, but I'm not mad at it. Definitely wouldn't size up for that. Yeah, this is the size large. All right. Let's see what we got next in here. So I got a t-shirt for $28. Looking through it right now, looks like it's like a Snickers logo t-shirt. It's kind of funny. We'll take this out real quick. So yeah, size large, plain white tee. Little Snickers Corteiz in there. Not too bad. $28 for this. And then last but not least, at least I thought last but not, oh wait. So this is the hat. Looks to be a pretty simple gray beanie. Let's take it out real quick. I got a bit of a small head. It looks like this will fit me pretty well. Not too bad. Super basic piece, of course. Of course, everything brand new, tags on it. But yeah, $20, mystery right here. Not too bad. And then it also looks like they threw in a Corteiz tote. Free little tote there as well. So what I did not mention in detail is that this is a Lotto sale, and what I believe that means is each piece that you get comes with a scratch-off. Some of the prizes, from what I've seen, are pretty big. If you're on the UK side, you're actually eligible to win a brand new car, and I believe the others are like likely products and cash. Looks like it says scratch the panels to reveal your prize, match 3 identical symbols to win that prize, so we'll see. Ordered 3 products, so I got 3 cards. I'll scratch these off in a second, I'll let y'all know. All right, so we just scratched all of them off. None of them are winners. Yeah, it's essentially hyping you up, gassing you up with 2 matching and then a thumbs down. Oh, it's cool. You get like this 10% off thing. I'm assuming this is the same across all of them, so feel free to keep this 10%, y'all. Fun little joint. What do y'all think? I think I paid overall what's 135 plus 28 plus 20, 150. I mean, after shipping, I think I paid around 220. About 220 including shipping for all this stuff. What do y'all think? How'd I do?